Okay, now what happened, if you are opening so many applications, what will happen? Your RAM will be filled and your application will become very slow, correct?
Yeah.
So your RAM, well, because your RAM will be filled with all the applications, whatever you are opening so if you are opening more applications, what will happen? Your RAM will be filled with more applications, correct?
Yeah.
So then your system will become very slow, correct?
Mm.
So that is about your system. So then what you will do? You will close some of the applications, correct?
Yeah.
So that you are doing manually, correct?
Yeah.
So here there is some manual interaction is required, correct?
Yeah.
So now come back to the Java program. So Java is having a concept called heap. Heap is same as like RAM, correct? So
Yeah.
in Java we have a concept called heap. So heap means
Mm.
it is similar like RAM.
Mm.
So RAM you will not get 2 TB, 500 GB, 600 GB like that you will not get, right? RAM.
Mm.
So you will
Mm.
get very less memory. So in Java also we have a concept called heap. So inside the heap, right, so if you are writing so many programs, right, so these programs will share this heap memory. Java programs, correct?
Mm.
So Java programs will share the heap memory. Okay, so what is happening, here there is no manual interaction. We have a concept called garbage collector. So this garbage collector, what it will do, it will monitor this heap. If there is any unused things are there, it will remove from the heap.
Yeah.
So it will do the cleanup activities.
Mm.
Like what its example is, if you have in a house, right, someone need to do the cleaning, right, every day, correct?
Mm.
Otherwise
Yeah.
what will happen? After 1 month, if you see, the house will become very dirty, correct?
Mm.
It is like a sweeper, cleaning of the house. So
Mm.
this heap part, what it will monitor it. If it is finding any unused things, it will remove from the memory, so that always you
Mm.
have some more memory to use it, correct?
Mm.
Similarly, like in a house, right, one person required to clean the house. Otherwise, after 1 month, right, if you see, the house will become very dirty. So finally, we need
Mm.
a person, who will make it clean the house.
Mm.
In the similar way, in Java, we have a concept called garbage collector. So what is the work of this garbage collector? It will remove the unnecessary things from the heap, so that
Mm.
you have enough memory.
Mm.
So this heap is similar kind of RAM in your system.
Mm. Okay.
That is the garbage collector concept. If you are not cleaning this one, what will happen? After 1 hour, so many things will be filled inside this heap. Then what happen? Your Java will not work. It will become very slow, correct?
Mm.
See, now it is completely filled. So then your application will run very slowly. So we
Mm.
need some garbage collector who will do the cleaning activities.
Mm.
So that is the main purpose of garbage collector.
Okay.
you,
Yeah.
you got some idea, right?
Yeah.
So we will see all those things more when we start writing the programs.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now what we will do, today we will see the installation part. So how to, yesterday we already downloaded the Java, right? So today what
Mm.
we are
Yeah.
going to do, we are trying to install the software in your machine, and we need to do some settings. After that we will try to do some sample hello world program.
Okay.
So these are the things we will do today. Okay, now what I did, I have already downloaded the software in my machine. I will try to install that JDK in my machine, and I will show you the live actually. So what are
Okay.
the configurations need to be done, all those things.
Mm. Mm.
Okay, let me get the software. I have already downloaded. I'll show you. Just I'm connecting my external disk. Now I'm trying to open the, I have all the softwares I have already downloaded. So I will, yes, so let me go to JDK. Yes. So here, I have basically, I used to download all the versions when I used to keep with me, so that for every batch, right? So I will not download every time. So whatever the software I have already downloaded, just I will take this one and I will try to install, and I will show the live demo to the people so that they will be familiar with how to download, how to install all the steps. Okay, so
Yeah.
download part you know very well, because yesterday I showed you, right, how to download, from where to download, all the URLs also I shared with you, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, now today once you download the software, so you will get a file like this.
Mm.
We see here, right, JDK Java Development Kit version is 8, and after that did you see here Windows 64-bit. So JDK version, and this software is compatible with Windows 64 operating system.
Yeah.
That's what the file naming
Yeah.
convention,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
correct? And this
Yeah.
is in JDK itself, 8 itself, they are versioning different, they are releasing different versions. So that's what this 92 meaning.
Yeah. I have a 144.
Yeah, that's fine. Means yours is the latest
Okay.
one. I mean, whatever I downloaded long back.
Okay.
Downloaded somewhere last year, um, September somewhere. So that's what.
No.
So if they found some issue in this 92 version, right, they will fix that one and they will release 93 version.
Yeah.
JDK 8 93. So in same JDK 8 they will release multiple versions. So that's what you said, 123 or 124. So
Oh,
mine is
yeah.
a little bit old version, but JDK 8 only. So now what I will do, I will try to install this one. To install this one, what you have to do, you just double click.
Shall I do installation parallelly, or should I
Or,
follow your
or
video later?
anyway, I will give the video to you. So now this video is already recording.
Okay.
You can do later. Now, if you want to make any note, you can just make a note.
Okay.
You can do it later, and if you have any doubt while you are trying to install, you can ask me tomorrow. You
Okay.
can share your screen and we will see the issues.
Oh, yeah.
Right
Okay.
now just you try to remember, or if you want to make a note, you can make a note.
Okay.
Okay, and you can install tomorrow, and if you are facing any issues, then you just let me know. I'll fix that issues for you. Okay,
Okay.
if you click the software you will get this window, and just say
Yeah.
yes.
Uh,
Yeah,
I can't see. Yeah. Now I can see.
you can see, right? Yeah, so just I selected yes option, and you will get one more pop-up window. Need to wait. See, if you consider this is my system, right? See, in my system, so how much memory I'm consuming? Did you see this one? 2.96. This is my RAM size. My RAM total size is 4 GB. Now currently I'm using around 3 GB of RAM I'm using. I have 1 GB is left. In the similar way, it's a heap also. It's a separate memory. So we need to clean up that one. So that will be done by using garbage collector. So where is this window? Yes, it's coming. It came now. So once you click yes, right, so you will see this window. So
Okay.
you will see this window, and we are trying to install Java Standard Edition Development Kit 8, and with version
Yeah.
is 19, and it's compatible with 64-bit. Okay, then you select next. So this is very, very important. Nobody will explain. People will just blindly, they will do next. So they don't know what to see here. There is a lot of options is there. So if you see here, right, for time being, you can forget out these options. If you see here, right, install to, and it's displaying C program files, Java, something. So what it mean? So by default, all these softwares will be installed under C programs, correct?
Yeah.
So say for instance, if you don't want to install the software under C programs, you have an option here, change. So you can click here. In which drive you want to install it? You want to go for D, E, F, D, any. If you don't
Yeah.
want to install in C drive, you can select the drive wherever you want to install. In generally, I am installing all of my softwares under D drive. There is a folder called installation. Yeah. I used to install all my softwares under D drive installation. Here if you see here, there is so many softwares. So here what I am going to do, I am going to create a test folder. So for today I am going to install my JDK inside this folder, test folder. So you can navigate under D drive and installation, under installation test, correct? So I am trying to install under D drive. So that is the purpose of change option. So now it is not installing into C program files, correct?
Yeah.
Yes. Now come back to the top option. If you see here, right here we have three options: development toolkit, source code, public JRE. So it's a Java is a one package, one software, one on a big package, correct? So inside this we have a three different modules like a development tool, source code, and JRE. So what is these modules? What is the advantage of these modules? First you go for development tools. If you expand it here, right? See here you have two options. And if you select this option, did you see here there is some information is changing every time. Did you notice this portion? So
Yeah.
development tool will take 180 MB size in your hard disk. It require 180 MB size of your hard disk size. Source code will take 27 MB size. Public JRE will occupy 110 MB memory size of your hard disk. So that is the information. So
Okay.
in these three, right, so the first one is mandatory, and this
Yeah.
second one and third one is are optional. Did you see this one? For second one you have a cross mark.
Yeah.
For third one also you have a cross mark. But whereas first one you don't have any cross mark, meaning you have to install this one. So
Okay.
development tool means if you want to develop a Java program, you need these development tools. So these development tools will come under Java package. If you want to write a Java program, definitely you need this development tool. Okay, that is the advantage of development tool. So it will give all the required packages. Similarly, like if you want to do some painting, right, what you will do? So you will open this one, MS Paint, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this is the tools, correct? If you want to do some painting, you have different tools, correct? In the similar
Yeah.
way, to write Java program, we need development tools. It's a
Yeah.
mandatory one. And next one is source code. So what is the source code means? So along with this software, right, they will give some sample programs, and so to implement this software itself, we need to write some program, right, to implement this entire software, correct? So that source code also they are giving to you. You can see their source code. So just to see the source code of the software. But this is an optional. If you don't want this one, you can remove it. So then it will not install.
Okay. Okay. So we don't do anything. We just see the source code, right?
Yes, that is optional. That is
Okay.
up to your interest.
Yeah. Okay.
If you don't want, you can uncheck this one. If you want to see the source
Okay.
code, you can select it. If you don't want to see this one, you can uncheck, and it will not take this 27 MB space. It will not install. And
Okay.
similarly public JRE. So once you develop the program, once the development of the program is done, then we need
Mm.
to run the program and we need to see the results, correct?
Yeah.
So to run the program and to see the results, we need this JRE. So this is
Mm.
also optional. Okay, this is up to you.
Uh, okay. But we have, I mean, obviously after writing the program,
Yes, yes.
we have to see
Definitely
the
we
results. Yeah.
correct. Yes, you whatever you said
Yeah.
that is correct. So what happened? These
Mm.
JDK people. So they had given two packages. One
Mm-hmm.
package is having everything, development tools and JRE. This is one combination of package. So there is another combination of
Okay.
package. They will give only JRE. So that is a separate
Okay.
software you can able to download from Oracle website. You can able to download only
Mm-hmm.
JRE. So why we
Okay.
need only JRE? See, you are a developer, right? So you need these development tools, correct? So
Yeah.
there are some other people, they will not do any development, just they will run the programs. For
Mm.
them, this development tool is not required, right?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
If you are a developer, so you need it. Some people say, for
Mm.
instance, I'm not a developer, just I will run the program and I will see the results. So in that case, I don't want this development tool, correct?
Yeah.
I want only
Uh,
JRE.
okay. So you mean the public JRE means, for example, they just only run the program, they just see the result.
Yes,
In
yes.
that purpose, they use, okay.
Correct. So if you don't want to install this one, you can uncheck this one and you can
Mm-hmm.
able to download this public JRE as a separate package, separate software from the Oracle website.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what they
Okay.
made it this as optional.
Mm-hmm.
So that is up
Okay.
to you. For time being, you will select everything.
Okay.
So that is these three options. So most of the
Mm.
people will not understand why these options. Just they will do next. Blind. They
Yeah.
don't care about that any options.
Mm.
That option having this much meaning.
Yeah.
So now if you click on next, it will take some time and it will try to install all that files in this folder.
Mm.
Now if you see the background of window, right, so there is all the folders already, it's coming up.
Yeah. Yeah.
See here the problem is if you install the softwares in C drive, what will happen, if you format your system, if you format your
Oh, everything
everything
went off.
will go out, yes. So that's what you try to install in a separate drive.
Mm.
And now if you see here, right, so JDK it is already installed and JRE it is asking JRE where you want to install. So JRE
Okay.
it is again asking, so you can change the location. I want to install JRE also
Mm.
into D
Mm-hmm.
drive. D drive installation and test, correct?
Mm.
Now
Yeah.
next, so it will take some time. Now it is installing JRE. So JDK is done. Now it is trying to install the JRE.
Mm.
This is installation part. Once this installation is done, so we need to do some configurations. Okay.
Mm.
After the once the configuration is done, the verification process whether the installation is successfully done or not.
Okay.
So still it is installing. Okay, so now all the I mean, if you see here, right, it's successfully installed.
Hmm.
JDK and everything is done, you can close it. So now the installation part is completed. Okay, now the second part is we need to do some configuration steps.
Hmm.
So what are the configuration? So these are very important. Why? Because if you join into any company, right, so you need to take care of all these things.
Yeah.
So these configurations, installation part, nobody will help you generally.
Yeah.
Okay. So what are the configuration steps? So to do the configurations, first we have to do some environment variable setup. Okay. So
Hmm.
to get this environment variable option, what you have to do, you have to go to the start button, and you will see here computer icon, correct?
Hmm.
So right click and get the properties. If you see here, right, there is a advanced system settings. Click that one.
Yeah.
Then if you see, there is advanced tab is already selected, and if you see the below, right, there is a option called button called environment variables. You just click it
Hmm.
and you will get this small window, and here you see new edit delete, correct? So here
Hmm.
we need to add one new entry, so we need to do click of new,
Hmm.
so we will get this small window. So in this small window, what we have to do, so we have to add java underscore home. Okay, so variable name is java underscore home, and the
Hmm.
value is your java installation location, so in which drive you have installed. So we have installed
Okay.
our java in this location, correct? D colon
Okay.
installation slash test, correct?
Yeah.
So you need to take this location, copy this location and paste it here.
Yeah. And the variable name should be always Java underscore home, or shall we give
It
any
should be
other
the
name?
java underscore home. Why? Because some of the softwares, they will look for this variable name.
Okay.
So this is the
And
key and this is the value.
okay. And also, should it be in caps letters?
Yes, yes, it's in capital letter, yes.
Okay.
Why? Because some softwares it will look for this variable and corresponding value.
Hmm.
It is a key and this is a value.
Okay.
So once it is done, you can click OK.
Hmm.
Then you can able to see here Java underscore home and your variable value name.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the first step.
Hmm.
The same thing I have mentioned here in PPT.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
advanced system
Uh,
settings, yeah.
yeah. Did you say okay? I
And
mean, have you finished that
yeah,
window?
yes, I will show you. So
Okay.
first we selected
Okay.
advanced environment variables. Then what you did, we did click of new and you will get this small window, correct?
Hmm.
Variable name and variable value. So
Hmm.
variable name you had given java underscore home and value you had given your java installation location, correct?
Hmm.
So this is the
Okay.
first step. So java home is ready now.
Hmm.
Okay, and we need to do one more variable setup, that is called as a path. The second one is path. So how to do the setup for path? So again what you have to do, we have to go back,
Yeah.
come back to the same window. Again you will see here a new, right? So click that one. So again you
Hmm.
will get variable name and variable value. So the variable name is path. The value here it is, right? Go back to your installation location, and did you see here is there is a folder called bin?
Hmm.
Click this location and copy this location and paste it here and click on OK. If you click OK, then you can see your variable here, path and value corresponding.
Hmm. Okay.
Say for instance, if we entered something wrong, here we have an option called edit. Edit it and you can modify the variable value.
Hmm.
If we think it is not required, then we have a delete option also.
Yeah.
At any point of time, you can come here and you can add new variables and you can edit it, you can delete it.
Mm.
So this is clear, right? These two variable setup.
Yeah.
The last one is path. Path and software installation location /bin. Till bin we have to give the variable name. So these two steps are very, very important.
Mm.
It's clear, right?
Yes.
Okay, now the third step is, so far we have installed and we have configured all those things, correct? So
Mm.
final one is how can we ensure the installation process is success? So there is a way to test, right?
Mm.
So to test this, when installation is success or not, what you have to do, you have to open the command window. How to open the command window? Windows R button. Then you will get the small window. Then here you can type CMD. Press enter. So you will get this command window.
Mm.
Okay. So here now I want to know whether my Java software is installed properly or not. It's installed properly or not. So for that, what we have to do, we have to execute this command java space hyphen version and press enter. Java space hyphen version. Then it will display the full details. Java version is 1.8 and
Mm.
121 and the build package, everything it will display. Say for instance, if it is not installed, if it is not configured properly, you will get invalid command. So what I am going to do now, I am going to modify the variables. So this is the path, right?
Mm.
So you can edit it. So for testing purpose, what you will do, I will copy everything and
And here I
yes.
can see that you have added bin before the path.
So before
Somehow.
something is that, that's what you are asking?
Yeah.
Yes. In the similar way, we can install so many softwares. Correct?
Okay.
So for other software also, we have a bin folder.
Mm.
So that like Scala, it is one software basically.
Mm-hmm.
That software also having a bin. So that also need to be configured under this variable name.
Mm-hmm.
For time being, you can ignore. So you need to configure your Java software. So this is your
Yeah.
Java software. If we have multiple
Okay.
softwares, right, then it should be
Mm.
separated by semicolons.
Semicolon.
Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this path. Say for instance, I forgot to configure this bin path. Now I will open new command window and I will look for java hyphen. Still it is coming back because we have java home also. I need to remove that one also. Where is that? So let me copy. Yes. Now I am going to delete java home also. Deleted. Okay. Okay. Now let me open new window java hyphen version press enter. Still it is coming. Now what I have to do, close it. Still I need to restart machine basically. So what happened, if you give like that, what is happen, you will get like this. Say for instance, if you didn't install java properly, then you will get like this: Java C is not recognized an internal or external command. Now I need to restart this machine, then you will get the changes. If you didn't install properly, you will not see this information.
Okay.
Correct?
So
So
if
that is the
you
way.
will get the,
Yes,
yeah, you will get the below information
correct.
Java X.
It will say clearly it's not recognized. If it is installed properly, you will get these details. So that is the way
Okay.
you can ensure like your software is installed properly.
Okay, but now I'm just
Now
wondering.
now you can try in your machine. You will get unrecognized command. You can open your command window and you can type like Java space hyphen version.
Okay.
You will get
Okay.
that message. Why? Because in my machine I need to restart, otherwise I will not get this change.
Okay. So you are getting that unrecognized error message because of the you deleted these two variables.
Correct, yes.
Right.
You
Okay.
can try in your machine, you will get unrecognized.
Okay.
Can you try now? Meanwhile, just
Yeah,
open.
maybe later I will try.
Yeah, fine. So you will get that unrecognized. So that is the way you can ensure your software is installed properly and configured properly.
Mm.
So it's so far it's clear, right? Installation and configuration.
Yes.
So these are the main steps. One is Java home and path.
Mm.
So if configuration is done, now we are going to see one hello world program by using Notepad. So far just assume we don't know what is Eclipse, we don't know NetBeans, we don't know anything. We know only Notepad.
Mm.
Correct? Why? Because some people are coming from non-computer background. Correct? So they don't know
Yeah.
anything. So they know, maybe they don't know computer also, some of the people.
Mm.
Okay, that's what I'm starting from Notepad. Only for,
Okay.
I mean, the only for this class we are going to use Notepad. From tomorrow, next class onwards, we are going to use Eclipse
Okay.
or something.
Mm.
So here I created a folder called test123. Okay.
Mm.
So inside this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write one simple hello world program, Java program. Just I want to print something. So
Mm.
to write, so if you see, right, if I create a Word file, what is the extension? .doc, correct?
Yeah.
If I created Notepad, so what is the extension? You will see
Uh,
text file,
yeah.
txt.
Yeah.
If I
Yes.
create a Word file, the extension will become .doc, correct?
Yeah.
.doc. So for every file there is an extension, correct?
Yes.
So now what I'm trying to do, I'm going to create a file called Java. So for Java file, what is the extension? .java.
Yeah.
So now just open Notepad, and so this is a new Notepad. I'm going to save this file as a
Gotcha.
.java. So before giving .java, we will give some name, correct?
Mm.
So I'm going to give first .java. So this is my file name. File name is first, the extension is .java, and save this file under, you see here, right, this is a Java file, this is a Microsoft document, and this is a text document, correct?
Yes.
So now open this text file. So this is a Java file. So now here we need to write the programming, correct? Java programming, correct?
Mm. Mm.
So here what, how to write the program? For time being, you just remember this. For today, you just remember this file. What I'm going to write. Public is a keyword. Class first. Open bracket. Close bracket. So these all those things you will, there for every word there is a meaning. So public is a keyword, and there is a class, and class name is first. So the class name always should be the file name. What is the file name here? First, correct?
Yeah.
So the class name also I'm giving as a file name,
Fine.
and
Fine.
open bracket and close bracket. Public is a keyword, this is a
Mm.
class. So we will see all those things slowly, what is public, what is class, what is all those things. So starting bracket and closing bracket. So in this, in between the starting and closing bracket, we have to write the programming, correct?
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
now public static main, open bracket, again close bracket. So here string args. So every word there is a meaning basically. Public static void main, and this is
Mm.
the file name, and this is a class. We will see all those things, what is meaning by public static void main slowly, I mean day by day. For today you just remember. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
system dot out dot println. So basically I want to display this message. If someone is running this program, I want to display this message, welcome to Java program, correct? So that is my main
Mm.
program. This is, I'm writing a program which will display this message to the user.
Mm.
If you want to display some message to the user, right, so write this message, and before this message you have to write this one, system dot out dot println, and the message what you want to display to the user. So this
Mm.
is the standard way to display some information to the user, correct?
Mm.
And these lines should be there under public static void main. So this is called as a trigger point. So under these main, I mean under these public static void main, you can write n number of statements. It will execute one by one, one by one.
Mm.
So for today you just remember this one. Now our program is ready, correct? Now what I want to do, I want to run this program and I want to see the results, correct?
Yeah.
So now your program is ready. So how to run this program and how to see this program, correct?
Mm.
So this file we can able to understand very easily, right? So this is in English, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the Java software will run this program and it will give the results, correct? So the Java program is not able to understand this one directly. So it needs some
Mm.
other mediator. Some, if
Mm.
say for instance, if you see in Canada, right, there is a two languages, English and French. Say for instance, one
Mm.
person don't know the French, so we need some mediator, right, who knows like English and French, correct? So that he can able to
Mm.
translate it.
Mm.
So this JDK Java software is not able to understand this one. So what we had to convert this file into a different format. So then we can able to
Mm.
see the results. So how to convert that file, this Java file, into different format? For that what we have to do, so open command window from this location, press shift control and right click and command window here. So you will get command window, correct? So these commands you have to remember, Java space, which file you want to translate, first dot,
First,
correct,
JS. Yeah.
Java,
So
right?
sorry, Java.
Correct. FIRST, sorry, Java C.
Sorry, Java. See.
Yeah,
Okay.
Java C, Java hyphen version, press enter. Java C hyphen version, press enter. Java C is not recognized.
Not.
I need to check the configurations, again back.
Yeah. Actually, you have installed Java in D folder,
Yeah, I
C
did.
device, right?
I didn't click OK. I just pressed cancelled it. So
Ah, okay.
I have already configured. Just I'm checking the software is there or not. Just for your purpose, I installed it, but I didn't configure that location.
Okay, okay.
Second. Yes, so this is the one. I will check this software is really is there or uninstalled in my program files. What is this? Okay. Yes, this location is not there. This program files, this is
Okay.
wrong. So that's the problem. So go back to C and installation. JDK.
Yeah.
Yes, this is
I
the valid location. Yes.
think some noise is coming.
Yes, basically the location is wrong, whatever I configured. Software is uninstalled. So
Yeah, I think some noise is coming.
some noise is coming.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So now it is fine. Still the noise is coming.
I mean, surrounded places from your surrounded places, I think. From
Yes, now it is fine. See here,
yeah.
basically the locations are very old locations. Frequently I'm installing and uninstalling the softwares. So now
Yeah.
I configured this location, one of the installation location. Now
Mm.
come back here and so open command window from the location wherever you have written the Java program. Open command window and these commands we have to remember. So first we need to translate the .java file into a machine version, machine code. So how to convert the program whatever you have written to a machine code. So for that the command is java c space file name. What is the file name?
First, Java.
Correct, and press enter. See here, did you see here there is some errors it's saying.
Mm, mm,
These are the syntax errors. So it's saying some unclosed character, some literal something. So what you have to go back system.out.println. So it should be in double quotes.
mm,
It should be in double quotes. So why it should be in double quotes, if it is a single character then you can keep in single quote, but
mm,
these are multiple characters, right?
mm,
So it should be in double quotes, the message whatever you want to display it. Now go back
mm.
here, again just press up arrow, press enter. Did you see this one? Now there is no errors, correct?
What arrow? Up arrow?
Oh,
You said something.
up arrow, right? So the previous command, instead of typing the again java c, right,
Mm-hmm.
just press up arrow so that the previous command will come here.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so now once that is successfully done, so now there is
Mm-hmm.
no error. If you come back to your here, right, so along with your first .java there is a new file called first dot class. Did you see this one? This new file got generated here.
Okay. Mm,
So this one you human being can able to understand. So these
mm,
first dot class will can able to understand JRE.
mm,
So one time you write the program and second time onwards whenever you want to see the results we have to use this file.
mm.
Now to see the results what we have to do, java space, what is the dot class name, file name? first
Java.
and press enter. Did you see the
Okay.
results here?
Yes.
You can run n number of times. Correct? So what I will do, I will give this file to you, this dot class. You can able to run from your machine also.
Okay.
So we no need now this Java file. It's not required. This is what I told right first day. Write one time and run n number of times.
Yes.
Correct?
Okay.
I have written program one time and I can able to run the same program now n number of times. Say for instance, now if I want to modify something, if I want to modify the message here, right? Again, what I have to do? Again, I have to open the .java file. I want to display 1, 2, 3. Did you see this one? I modified this message.
Yeah.
Now go back here. Did you see 1, 2, 3 is coming here?
No.
It's not coming because I modified the .java file. So whenever I'm modifying the .java file, again I need to regenerate the
Class.
class file.
Yeah.
Correct?
Class.
So for that, what is the command to regenerate it? Java C space.
Java C space file name. First Java.
Correct. So whenever you are executing this command, what it will do? It will generate a new first dot class file. If it is there, if we have already file, right? So what it will do? It will delete this file and it will recreate it again back.
Okay.
See, this file was generated at 11:51, correct? Now the time is 11:54. So now
Right.
I'm trying to generate new file back again. Press enter. So if you see here, right, now it is generated just now. So now how to see the results?
Java space file name.
File name. Press enter. Now we are getting the results, correct?
Yeah.
Similar way you can run n number of times. So now I can send this file first dot class to you in the email. You can run from your machine also. You can run from Windows or Linux or Mac or whatever, doesn't matter. So write one time and create dot class file and give the dot class file to users. If as long as if they have a JRE, they can able to see the results.
Okay. But they should have a JRE.
Correct. Yes.
Okay.
So because you are not developing the program, right? You are just running the program.
Yes.
So you should have JRE. Otherwise, you are not able to.
Yeah.
The result.
Okay. So for this purpose, we need public JRE
Correct.
while installing them.
And you can able to download public JRE separately also. How to download that one? I'll show you. So same thing, you can go here, Windows Oracle website, and you can able to download JRE. Did you see this one? JRE. This is not JDK. This is only JRE. So you can able to download from this URL. So from Oracle website, you can able to download complete package or only JRE. So that is up to you. So you can able to download from whatever you want. So this is the major difference between JDK and JRE. This is very important question in interview. So they will ask what is the purpose of JDK and what is the purpose of JRE. So what is the difference?
Okay. Okay.
It's clear, right? What is JDK and what is JRE?
Yes. Yes.
And I will give you one more example when related to JDK and JRE. If you go to your installation location, installation, and where is, yes, this is JDK 8. So if you see here, right, we have a JRE here. So in your installation, you have a two folders. One is JRE. Inside JRE, it is having all required libraries. So there is so many tools are available in JRE. And inside your JRE, we have a bin. So here we have, I said some commands, Java, Java C, correct?
Yeah.
So all these commands will be there here. If you come down slowly, I can show you. Is Java, JRE.
Yeah, I can see.
You can see, right, Java here.
Yeah, Java C. Yeah.
So this, whenever you are calling the from command window Java C, right? So it will call this file,
Okay.
and this is Java, and this is Java C. These two files will be called from the command window, and this is the input, correct? Java, Java C, right? So to access these commands from the command window, we are configuring this location into environment variables, correct? Correct. This location will be
Yes.
configured as part
Yeah.
of path, correct?
Yes.
Otherwise you are not able to access from here. See here, right?
Yeah.
Simple example is, right, we have a WhatsApp, right? So how we are sending the message, right? So if you have a number, you are not able to send a message to a different person, right? But the person should be registered inside the WhatsApp, correct? Then only
Yeah.
two people can able to exchange a message, right? A person have a mobile number, but he didn't register inside the WhatsApp. Does he can able to send the message?
I know.
No, because he didn't registered himself into the WhatsApp, correct?
WhatsApp.
Then
Yeah.
only you can able to send the message. Here also we have a commands, but to access these commands from anywhere in your machine, you need to configure this location into system environment variables, correct? Then only you can able to access these commands from anywhere in your command window. So that's what I told, right? We need to do two steps. One is Java home and path.
Configure.
Yes. If you see
Okay,
here
for
path,
my.
right, till bin we are giving this location. If you have not
Yeah.
done this location, you are not able to access this Java or Java C from your command window. So that is the advantage of this environment variable setup and this hello world program. Say for instance, now what you did, you developed this program and you had given to the users. So as long as they are running this program, it will display this message, correct? So now
Yeah.
again users are coming and they are asking, don't display 1 2 3, display ABC, they are asking. So what we have to do, we have to modify the program again back, correct? So now what we have to do, we have to recompile this program again back, correct?
Yeah.
Then we have to upload it to, or upload or give to the users. That's what,
Yeah.
right? If for any softwares, right, you are getting updates, correct? If you take any Android apps, right, so keep on, it is asking update, some new software is available, click this button to update, correct?
Yeah.
What it will do,
Yes.
it will take the latest software from the location. So frequently they are doing this change. Now I modified from 1 2 3 to ABC. So if they will run it, right, they will not get this change, so they will get only 1 2 3 only. So to get the changes reflection back, what I had to do, I had to update the software, correct? To update the software, what I had to do, I had to execute this command. So it will generate the new .class file. Now I can able to run and I can able to get the changes.
Yeah.
So this is the way to write the simple hello world program by using Notepad. So tomorrow what we will do, we will write the same program by using Eclipse.
Okay.
So now we understood, right, what is Java home, path and what is the advantage of that one. So by using all those things, we are executing this Java command and Java C command, and we are seeing the results.
Mm.
So tomorrow what what we are going to discuss, we are going to discuss um, how to download the Eclipse and how to configure the Eclipse, and how we are going to write the same program by using Eclipse. So we will see the difference. What is the advantage of Eclipse? Why we need Eclipse? Correct?
Yeah.
See, without Eclipse also I can able to write the program, right?
Mm.
See, I have
Yeah.
written the program and I can able to see the results.
Mm.
Then what is the advantage of Eclipse? So that we will see tomorrow.
Okay.
So meanwhile, what you will do, when I will send this video also, you can install the software in your machine, and if you have any issues, you just ask me tomorrow and we will fix that issues, and after that we will see the Eclipse and all.
Yeah. Okay.
And also I
Are
will
you
send,
sending the
yeah,
videos now? Okay.
I already sent to, can you ping Sudhir?
Yeah, I will do that.
Yeah, you just ask him. I already sent
Mm.
yesterday only. I will send this video also.
Mm.
Okay. And if he's not
Okay.
sending today, you just let me know. I will send all the videos to you.
Directly.
Yeah, yeah. You just ask him.
Okay.
If you didn't send, then I will send last 2 days videos plus today video I will send to you. Okay.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah,
Mm.
fine. Thanks.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.